Detoxify your body immediately if you notice any of these 9 warning signs. Toxic agents are everywhere in our world. The food we eat, the air we breathe, the household cleaners we spray, and the electronics we use on a daily basis. However, toxic free radicals are formed in the body too. Stress hormones, emotional disturbances, anxiety and negative emotions all create free radicals as well. Living without toxic buildup is virtually impossible, which is why our body has built-in mechanisms to deal with toxic overload. Crying, sweating, urination and defecation are all natural protocols employed by the body to clear itself of toxins. So, these toxins can be very dangerous for our body and health in general if they are ignored. It's extremely important to detoxify your body from time to time. These are the 9 warning signs you shouldn't ignore. If you notice any of them, then it's time to cleanse your organism. 1. Skin problems. If your skin is dry and you have rashes and acne, it can be a sign that your body needs to detox. A topical treatment isn't going to help if the cause of your skin problem is excessive toxicity in the body. To heal your skin, you need to rid the body of the toxins causing the skin problems. 2. Congested sinuses. This symptom is common, especially after inhaling high amounts of toxic chemicals, which are in the air around us. 3. Gallbladder issues. Because of the high amount of toxins accumulated in our body, the bile released in the gallbladder from the liver is too concentrated. This thick bile also clogs the gallbladder and increases the risk of gallstones. 4. Belly fat. Sometimes emotions, stress, anxiety, anger and other everyday problems can cause a toxin buildup in our bodies. These toxins disturb the ability to control glucose levels and control cholesterol levels. This is a sign we need detox immediately. 5. Overheating. Increasing the concentration of toxins can force your heart to work more, causing the heart experience what is called the overheating, which will increase body heat. Sweating is the body's natural detoxification mechanism. It will cleanse your body from harmful toxins through the skin pores. 6. Headaches. If you suffer from regular headaches with no obvious cause, it may be just the time for a detox. A headache is a pretty reliable way for your body to tell you that something isn't right. Before trying yet another pain reliever or worrying that you'll have these headaches for the rest of your life, try a detox program to see if the problem is too many toxins. 7. Lack of energy. It's extremely important for you to make a difference from being tired and constant fatigue and low energy. If you wake up tired not every day and this state doesn't improve throughout the day, then it's time for detox. A detox can help you flush out the things that are preventing you from feeling energetic. 8. White or yellow tongue. The natural color of your tongue should be bright pink or pale red. Whenever there is an excess of yellow or white film on the tongue, that means that the body is detoxing itself through the mouth by way of the tongue and your breath. When people have bad breath, it means your body is full with harmful toxins and you need to do a detox immediately. 9. Insomnia. Melatonin signals the body for sleep, but an excessive amount of toxins in your body can reduce the amount of melatonin that is released, which can result in insomnia or bad restless sleep. A detox can help restore your body to a more natural state. Your body can then release the appropriate amount of melatonin, allowing you to fall asleep faster and have a better sleep. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.